Coal was not an abstraction in Pennsylvania. In western coal fields, workers cut it by hand, loaded it into carts, and brought it out of drift mines toward Pittsburgh. The work began before daylight, in damp openings where every load depended on muscle, animals, and tools. By 1830, the city was already consuming more than 400 tons of bituminous coal every day. That fuel warmed homes and fed small furnaces. But coal mattered on a larger scale only if people could carry it beyond the mine, through riverside landings, workshops, and towns that needed energy. A heap at the pit mouth had little value until a chain of transport turned it into usable power. Canals made long-distance shipment cheaper. In eastern Pennsylvania, boat crews moved anthracite through locks toward Philadelphia, New York, and the eastern seaboard. They managed gates, ropes, water levels, horses, cargo, and tight schedules. Every lock was a human handoff, not just a line on a map. Railroads changed the scale again. Track crews connected coal fields with canals, rivers, and markets, then overtook canals where speed and volume mattered most. Rails could run through winter and reach places that waterways could not. Pennsylvania's advantage was built, maintained, and repaired by workers. Coal-fed furnaces. As railroads and shipbuilding expanded in the late 19th century, demand for steel pushed western Pennsylvania coal production higher. A furnace demanded steady fuel, careful timing, and crews who understood heat and heavy machinery. Furnace hands turned fuel, ore, heat, and dangerous skill into industrial output. The system worked because every handoff had people behind it: miners, boat crews, track gangs, brakemen, furnace hands, and the families who kept industrial towns alive. Their jobs connected the first cut of coal to a faraway locomotive, bridge, boiler, or factory floor. Resources alone never made an economy run. Industry brought wages and communities, but it demanded exhausting work. Immigrant workers and long-settled families filled mines, mills, canals, and railroad construction crews. Shifts could be long, injuries could be severe, and the company town often shaped daily life beyond the job. Pennsylvania's growth was a story of labor as much as geology. That growth also left costs. Decades of extraction scarred hillsides, altered streams, and left abandoned mines. The legacy can be seen in mining towns where the industry once set the rhythm of work, housing, and family life. Pennsylvania still carries the work of reclaiming landscapes shaped by the rush for fuel and steel. Pennsylvania did not simply possess coal and iron. It built a network that joined energy, labor, transport, and manufacturing. A canal crew, a rail yard, and a furnace belonged to the same larger chain. Bridges, railways, workshops, and river landings gave those materials national reach. That is why Pennsylvania shaped the first American economy. No single resource was magical. People built an entire working system around it: one mine, lock, rail line, workshop, and shift at a time. That system changed cities, industries, landscapes, and generations of workers.